I have made over $2 million as a freelancer and built a multi-million-dollar marketing agency called AutiMark. But here is what shocked me. These 5 AI tools increased my already successful freelance income by another 30% in just 6 months. And most freelancers making $50,000 a year have no idea this even exists. Look, when you have already cracked the 7-figure code as a freelancer and scaled a marketing agency to millions in revenue, you think you have seen it all. I'm a certified project management professional who is optimized workflows for Fortune 500 companies. I have dominated SEO for over a decade, helping clients generate millions in organic traffic. But AI changed everything. Even at my level of success, these tools amplify my capabilities in ways I never imagined. I am not some guru selling you dreams. I'm showing you the exact tools that took my already profitable freelance business to the next level. The difference, I'm not teaching you theory. I'm sharing what actually works when you're already playing at the top of the game. Semrush AI Copilot made my decade of SEO expertise 10 times more powerful. And wait until you see what tool number 3 did for my project management efficiency. I've been doing SEO since before most people know what it meant. I have run websites that generated $50 million in revenue. But even with my expertise, manual SEO analysis was eating up valuable time. This AI analyzes search intent patterns, predicts algorithm changes, and creates comprehensive SEO strategy that will take my team weeks to develop. It processes competitor data at a scale that is humanly impossible. Last quarter, I used it to audit a client's $10 million e-commerce website. The AI identified 47 critical optimization opportunities I would have missed. Result, 400% traffic increase in 90 days. Just imagine, my fee, $75,000. Yes, $75,000. The tool cost me $200 per month, but that is nothing compared to how Gamma transformed my clients' presentations. Gamma AI doesn't just improve my presentations, it made CEO increase project budgets on the spot. But the real game changer is tool number 5, which automated my entire business intelligence system. At AutiMark, we present a decision makers who have seen every pitch deck imaginable. When you are competing for 6-figure contracts, presentation quality isn't optional, it's everything. Here is what most people don't realize about Gamma. It doesn't just make pretty slides. This AI analyzes executive communication patterns, suggests data visualization that drive decisions, and structure narratives that align with C-suite thinking. It transforms ideas into presentations in minutes, with layouts that will take a design team hours to create. I was pitching a $200,000 marketing automation project to a Fortune 500 company using Gamma's AI-generated insights about their industry challenges and executive priorities. I created a presentation that doesn't just win the day, they increased the budget to $300,000 on the spot. The secret isn't just the visual design, it's how Gamma structures your narrative to match how executives make decisions. It front-loads the ROI, addresses objections before they are raised, and creates urgency through data visualizations. This tool doesn't just save time, it positions you as the strategic partner, not just another service provider. Now, if you think that is impressive, wait until you see how the next tool solved my biggest scaling problem. We are halfway through, and these next 3 tools are where I saw the biggest ROI. Tool number 3 gave me back 15 hours per week. Tool number 4 scaled my personal expertise. And tool number 5, it identified $2.3 million in hidden opportunities. If you are getting value so far, smash that like button. It helps others freelancers find this. Monday.com's AI project assistant solved the one problem that was killing my agency's growth, and most PMPs have no idea that this feature exists. As a certified PMP managing 50+ projects simultaneously, I was hitting scalability limits that traditional project management couldn't solve. This AI predicts bottlenecks, optimizes resource allocation, and automatically adjusts timelines based on team performance patterns. The breakthrough, it analyzes project data to suggest the best team members for specific tasks and identifies potential delays before they happen. Result: 40% faster delivery, 80% fewer client complaints, and 30% more clients without hiring additional project managers. But here is where things get really interesting. The next tool took my personal expertise and made it scalable. Jasper AI's brand voice feature did something I thought was impossible. It cloned my expertise and made it work 24/7. But wait until you see what the final tool did for my data analysis. The biggest limitation of being high-level freelancer is that your expertise doesn't scale. There's only one for you. I was turning down $500,000 worth of projects annually because I couldn't clone myself. Here is the breakthrough. Jasper brand voice learns from your successful strategies, client communications, and decision maker patterns. I trained it on my best performing content, client proposals, and strategic documents. Now, it generates content that sounds exactly like me while maintaining the quality standard that built my reputation. I fed it 50 of my highest converted client proposals. Now, when a new lead comes in, Jasper creates a customized proposal in my voice in 10 minutes. These AI-generated proposals have a 73% close rate, higher than my manual ones. Now, I can now serve 3 times more clients at the same quality level. My effective hourly rate went from $500 to over $1,000 because I am leveraging AI to multiply my expertise. But the real game changer, the tool that turned our data into a competitive weapon. Whatagraph AI doesn't just automate our reporting. It's become our secret weapon for identifying millions in hidden revenue opportunities. At AutiMark, we generate terabytes of performance data across hundreds of campaigns. Analyzing this manually was like drinking from a fire hose, even with a full team. Here is what blew my mind. Whatagraph AI connects to 55 plus marketing channels, automatically identifies patterns that human miss, and predicts campaigns performance with scary accuracy. It processes data at a scale that will require 20 analysts and creates white-labeled reports that look like they came from McKinsey. 3 months ago, the AI flagged an unusual pattern in one client's social media data. It predicted a 40% drop in engagement for a specific demographic. We pivoted the strategy immediately, and instead of losing $180,000 in ad spend, we increased ROI by 67%. This tool helped us to identify $2.3 million in additional revenue opportunities for our clients last year. Our agency fee increased by 60% because we are not just executing, we are providing strategic intelligence that drives real business decisions. You transform from a service provider to a strategic advisor with insights that drive Fortune 500 level decisions. Here is what $2 million in freelance earnings and building a multi-million dollar agency taught me. Success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. These 5 AI tools, Semrush AI Copilot, Gamma, Monday.com AI, Jasper Brand Voice, and Whatagraph, didn't just increase my income by 30%, they gave me something more valuable. Ability to scale expertise that took me a decade to build. The key insight, AI doesn't replace expertise, it amplifies it. When you combine proven business acumen with cutting edge AI tools, you don't just compete, you dominate. Your competitive advantage. Why other freelancers are still trading time for money, you will be leveraging AI to deliver enterprise level results at scale. Next week, I'm revealing the exact pricing strategies I use to charge premium rates in an AI powered world. Strategies that help me build AutiMark into a multi-million dollar agency. I have shared the exact tools that took my already successful business to the next level. Which one resonates most with your current challenges? Drop a comment with the tool name and your biggest business bottleneck. With my experience scaling from freelancer to agency owner, I personally recommend your best starting point. If you're serious about building real wealth, not just making money, hit that subscribe button. I'm sharing the strategies that actually work at the highest levels of business. Are you welcome?